finna go meet Jazzy Faye. Oh, whiskey. In a real way. Yeah, Brodowski. They say I'm finna meet Jazzy Faye, man.
Aaron, the Plumber, see this? Aaron ain't just no reality TV internet sensation. My boy really doing this music shit, really taking it serious. My boy about to tap in with Jazzy Faye right now. Jazzy. Aaron the Plumber, man.
What up, boss? What's up, man? How are you, brother?
It's a profound pleasure to be here.
Oh, boy, in a real way. Did that man say that? Snoopy be saying that, Big Snoop.
Hey, in a real way.
Yes, sir, ski. Oh, boy.
Live in effect with
Jazzy
Faye, man.
Finzel, Burgundy, Obama, Luther King, Jr. Jackson. Father first, the great. You know what I'm talking about? Finzel, man. How you been, bro?
Whiskey. Hey, I'm blessed, man.
Yeah.
It's a profound pleasure to be here with
man.
you, man.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we can work together.
Come on.
Make some shit come to fruition.
Hey, man, you got Chaotic, you got me.
Hey.
So when can I get a session with you and him, Jazzy?
Let's do it soon.
I know. When you want to get it in?
I just get on the calendar and we figure it out.
Sure. All right, so
I get on it right away. You know what I'm saying?
Get on the calendar, give me a time, because he here for like 3 more days.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
Maybe it's
figure it out. Even I gotta move some people around, huh?
Yeah, man. You know, if we coming at any
yeah,
time.
come on. Yeah.
We're gonna make it
Yeah,
happen.
man, this is phenomenal.
Yeah.
I bet.
I love you, Jazzy Faye.
Love you back, bro. Come on, man. Come on.
From another mother.
Hey. Jazzy Faye is qualified, man. You know what I'm saying? Tap in with Brodowski, man. The hottest producer in the game, man. Aaron the Plumber and Jazzy Faye.
Oh, boy.
Something hot on the way.
Oh, boy. Ooh, that quick. In a real one.
That was dope.
Yeah.
No, but listen.
What's up?
Just let me know for sure what day.
So what type of shit you doing?
Rapping, nigga, doing everything, bro. I got the internet
me
on fire.
I'm gonna come in.
We in the last.
Y'all doing something?
Yeah, we in the very last room.
Okay.
So just come down.
I just got here. I'm gonna go holler at him and I'm gonna come back there.
Me and him got one that we doing. We just recorded. It's called In the Real Way. We recorded it yesterday.
Oh, you already done put the little.
Yeah, we finna shoot the video for it tomorrow.
Put the tagline on that thing.
In the Real Way. So yeah, we gonna play that one for you. You know he dissing all type of motherfuckers who done pissed him off.
Oh, he ain't playing with them folk.
And then I want to bring them to you and get like a
One second, bro. 1 second.
A real certified, qualified Jazzy Finzel.
My boy Chaotic. You seen Chaotic on TV?
What's up, my brother?
You seen Chaotic before? Yes, sir. Were you out on the beach?
He in L.A.
Selling cake? Oh, that was
talking about. LA?
Yeah, you know, yeah.
You can tell. That's just right in hell over there.
Yeah, he acting.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. I just did a song for him. Hey, yeah.
Hey, all right, Jazzy.
So I'll call you when I get done with them.
Jazzy, we gonna be in another room waiting on.
Hold on. 1 second. Huh? You say what?
In a real way,
We gonna be in the back room.
Aaron the Plumber. We done met with Jazzy Faye. We on the way to the top, to the pinnacle, man. Let's go, man.
You can go back in now. I'm gonna come back in now.
I need Aaron to shout out Death Star Studios.
Hey, shout out Death Star Studios, man. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let the camera lady walk in first.
Thank you, Daddy.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, while y'all recording, we got going on here.
In a real way. Hey, you ready, bro? I'm ready for this. I'm trying to get G. I'm trying to we gon' get him. I'm trying to get G. I'm trying to get G. Nobody looking, welcome to the kitchen. Spit when I walk away.